video will show you how to use Google Calendar to create a Google Hangout for your students. You're going to open up Google Calendar and then you'll select Create to create a new event. Give your event a title, maybe Golanus Math Period 8. And I'll select the time that my class starts or the time that I want my Google Hangout to occur. Let's say it's from 2 to 3. And you'll select the calendar. Make sure you select the correct calendar that you want this event to go in. Then you're going to select more options. Once you select more options, take a look at the left. You'll see a video icon. And where it says Add Conferencing, you'll pull that down and select Hangouts Meet. This is going to create a link that anybody who has this calendar invite can click on to automatically join the Hangout. So easy. For this example, I'm going to add a test email address, and I would add all of my students in this space where it says Add Guests that are in my class period. And once I'm finished, we'll click Save, and I'll get a prompt asking me if I would like to send an invitation email to the Google Calendar guests. I'm going to select Yes, Send. So let me show you what this looks like from the student's email. They will get an email in their inbox with the calendar invitation, just like this. Open it up, and they can select if they can join by selecting yes, maybe, or no. And once they select that, you'll see that the invitation goes right into their Google Calendar. And on the day that they're ready to join, they can go in, select Join Hangouts Meet, and this will take them to the Google Hangout where the class can meet. That's it. One thing to be aware of is that cameras and microphones should be turned on or off, and you'll want to talk to your students about that. Maybe have them, once they join the Google Hangout, turn off all of their microphones and then use the chat feature in there to take turns asking questions. You'll decide how you want your class Google Hangout to interact. So that's it. That's how you use Google Calendar to create a Google Hangout.